Hello and welcome. In this episode, I will clarify some of the key aspects of the Atrium BT app. If you haven't already installed Atrium BT on your phone and activated your mobile pass sent to you by the system administrator, please do so before proceeding. Simply watch our videos on your YouTube channel to get your mobile pass ready. So let's jump right in and discover how Atrium BT works. Once you've activated your mobile pass, the home screen is displayed. In a few moments, nearby doors will appear on the screen, as we see here. As you move from door to door, they will be added and removed from the list automatically. Active doors can be sent unlock requests, while inactive doors are grayed out in the list and cannot be unlocked until they become active. Remember, the closer you are to a crypto reader, the higher in the list the door appears. Fluctuating status bars reflect the signal strength being detected by your phone. Okay, well here's the most important part. Simply tap the door on the list to unlock it. If you are allowed access, the door will unlock and a green padlock will appear. If you are denied access, a red X will appear. The tap to unlock mode, which is what we see on screen right now, is the default method used to unlock a door. There are 5 unlock modes available that you can select in the door properties, the door settings menu. It's important to note that the tap to unlock mode is always available no matter which unlock mode is displayed or selected. Simply tap the door name instead of using the selected unlock mode. For added convenience, frequently used doors can be pinned as a favorite to the list. Use the door settings menu to pin a door. Simply tap the pin icon to activate the door, the option I should say, then return to the home screen. I've just pinned the shipping and receiving door and is now located at the top of my list. Pin doors can be moved up or down according to your preference. So if you have multiple pin doors, you can select which one will be at the top over the other pin doors. Pin doors are always displayed on the home screen, even when you're out of range or away from the building. A pin door is in range when it becomes active. Any unpinned door in your system will be located at the bottom of below all of your pin doors. Completing the home screen overview, we have the scan button located at the bottom left. That is used when the unlock mode is set to scan, which uses NFC technology. iPhone users simply tap the scan button, then present and hold your phone close to the reader. For Android users, simply present your phone and hold it close to the reader. Finally, we have the help button, which redirects you to our videos and FAQs to assist you if needed. Next, at the top right of the home screen is an icon representing a card. Tap this icon to gain access to several different settings, including the door settings. Tap the gear icon by the site name to access the door settings menu itself, to select your preferences for range distance and door unlock modes. Remember to use our help button to learn how to make your selections. Tap the plus sign at the top right of this screen to add additional credentials for other Atrium sites if need be. Towards the bottom of the screen is the About button to view the app version and how to contact us. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the 3 selector bars to access the Preferences menu, where, among other things, you can change your password or select one of the 18 languages supported by Atrium BT. If you want to delete the site and credential or change your password to access these menus, and you have the Help button to access our videos and FAQs. We hope these videos have provided all the information you need to use your crypto mobile pass. If you need assistance, tap the help icon at the bottom of the Atrium BT app. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.